Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I've done a lot of Android home screen setup videos and I've not actually done a proper tutorial, and I actually have with me here the Samsung Galaxy A70, so I just thought let me do a home screen setup tutorial with the Samsung Galaxy A70. So it's going to be a BURNA BOY African giant inspired home screen setup, but then it's going to be the usual. You're going to see icon packs, you're going to see widgets, and I'm going to be using the launcher. I'm going to take you through how I set up everything so that if you do want to replicate the same thing on your home screen, you can do so easily. Without wasting my time, let's jump into the video. So this is the lawnchair launcher, and we have the dock, we have a widget that comes default. We would take care of these. We're going to take care of the dock, take it away, and then we're going to take away the widget up the top. I'm going to maintain these apps. They are apps I frequently use: Eon Pro, Instagram, Gmail, PUBG Mobile, and YouTube. Then finally, we're going to change the wallpaper. I love green wallpapers a lot, but this is a BURNA BOY inspired home screen setup. So, I mean, it would be fair to have a BURNA BOY wallpaper. BURNA BOY is an amazing African artist, and I mean, he's making waves. So I mean, if you don't know him, you should check him out and check his music out. He's an amazing person. So what we're going to do now is to get rid of the dock and the widgets up the top. To do that, you long press the home screen, you click settings, then you go to desktop. To turn off the desktop widget, you're going to turn off show pixel search bar. And once you turn it off, you're going to go to dock, and then you're going to turn off show arrow, show page indicator. You're going to turn on transparent dock, and then we're going to turn on hide dock. If we go back to the home screen, you're going to realize that we don't have the widget up the top and the dock anymore. So we have more screen real estate to play with. But then we do maintain these 5 icons that we frequently can have access to. To have access to other apps, all you can do is swipe up, and there you have it. As you can see, I have the enix icon pack. This icon pack is one of my favorite icon packs. To change your icon pack, you just go to settings after you long press the home screen, and then go to theme, and then you can click icon pack. So you can choose between none or enix or any other icon pack you're going to have, but I have enix and I love enix, so that's what we're using on this setup. The next thing we would have to do is to change the wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, you long press the home screen, you click wallpapers, and I'm going to choose my BURNA BOY wallpaper now. As you can see, this home screen looks amazing already. I always say this: the wallpapers on your home screen can make or break your home screen setup. And as you can see, this setup looks amazing already because the wallpaper, the image already is an amazing one. It has this gradient silhouette sort of look, and I love it. But as you can see, we would want to maintain his face, you know. We want it to be visible, so we're not going to put a lot of clutter, a lot of widgets on the home screen. We just have one widget that goes here, and that's going to be a white widget. This is bright. This side of the image is bright, but this side is kind of dark, and we can put, you know, a white widget there, a white colored widget, to kind of bring out some contrast and make the home screen setup look amazing. So to do that, what we're going to do is long press the home screen, then we're going to click widgets. We're going to navigate to the kwgt widget. We have it here, so we long press it and then we move it to the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the aspect ratio of the widget to the edge, and I think this should be fine. So the widget we're going to choose is just going to go to the side of the home screen. We're going to click it, and I'm going to be using Daily UI widget 22. So I have it here. The reason why I'm using this widget is that it kind of goes to the right side, and since the image is to the right side, the dark side is to the right side, plus we want to put a widget that fits to the right side, it's just going to be fair enough to have a widget that's aligned to the right. That's why we don't have something aligned to the left, but rather aligned to the right. Now, as you can see, the widget is very small. To do that, you come to layer. You have options down here. You choose layer, and then you can increase the size of the widget to how you please. So I'm going to make some micro adjustments here. I think this is fair enough. I'm going to click save, and I'm going to go back to the home screen. Now, as you can see, we really have an amazing looking home screen now. So we have the year, we have the day, we have the month, we have 31st year. Then we have some weather information right at the bottom of the widget. And we have the 5 apps we would always want to use. To use other apps, you can just swipe up and you have access to your other apps. But this is the home screen and it looks amazing. It's very minimal and I mean, it's lovely. I really love this home screen setup. This is a BURNA BOY inspired home screen setup. And BURNA BOY is a musician. So to get quick access to your music, I have the music icon here. I have the music player icon here. So you can just click it to have access to your music and then you can enjoy music. And yeah, so this is the setup. So thanks for watching this episode of Quick View. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation down there. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.